Doc really knows her stuff. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cat Carmelust. Thank you for tuning in, and this little intro will be featuring my little boo because he would not let me be great and do this intro without him, so I had to pick him up, but he's just like ignoring the light and everything, so he's just looking away. But welcome back, and this video is about the current unit I have in my hair right now. Current unit I have in my hair right now is by Nadula Hair from Aliexpress. I've been wearing them for about 4 years now. This is the Malaysian straight hair. As you can see, it's really full, it's really thick, and I have a 20 lace front along with two 24s and a 26 inch. I will insert a video of how it actually looks on me because I am 5'2", so I'm pretty short, and this is really long on me. It's like past my booty, but yeah. So I'll be showing how I install this wig, how I get it to blend using this spray. Now this spray, I got this tip and idea from Red Fairy, but that's the name of her company. Her actual YouTube name is Laresia Andrea. I love her. She's just very out of the box when it comes to her wigs, her makeup. She's just bomb.com. She's bomb all the way. I love watching her videos. He loves watching her too. He like looking at pretty girls. But she told us to try out this hard head instead of the got to be glue. And when I say this, sorry, excuse my language, boo boo. This stuff right here, hard head by Bedhead, you need to try it because this frontal ain't going nowhere. I've never had got to be glue do this before. So yeah, get into it. Okay. All right, but anyway, I'll be putting the information for this hair in my description box below. I'll make sure to put a direct link to the ones that I got, the bundles and the lace frontal that I got. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. So I am trying to be on a roll with these videos, honey. You hear me? A roll. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Cat Carmelust as well, and Snapchat. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed. Enjoy the video. Bye.